Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. This is your science class, week number 11. Today was Wednesday, and this is 11 November 2020. So, here is your unit number 3, Changing Materials, and this is the lesson 3.3, Fantastic Elastic. Okay, page 30 to 31. So in the previous we finished page number 30 and we will discuss about it and today we will discuss more about on page 31, right? So as you can see, this is the unit number 3, Fantastic Elastic. Okay, yesterday on 10 November we'll finish the page number 30. Today was page number 31. Okay, let's begin. So here is the fantastic elastic. Okay, as you know the mm, okay, sorry. So here is the thing. Okay, some materials can be changed when they are stretched. So in the previous lesson we discussed that some materials can be changed by hands and some materials can be changed by using tools and heat. Okay, so some materials are hard and some materials are soft, but today we talked about some materials can be changed when they are stretched. Now you have to learn the words. The first one is stretch and the next one is elastic. Okay, so you have to write them on the notebooks and try to memorize what is stretch and what is elastic. Now look at the four pictures that shows us that bending, twisting, and stretching and squashing. So there are the four different ways you can change the material: bending, twisting, stretching, and squashing. Okay, and look at this picture. We can bend some materials using hands because soft material. So the example is clay and the dough. And here is the hard material. You need some tools and heat to change into different shapes. Okay, today on page 31 we discussed that sorry, not page 31, this is a page 30. We learned that some materials can be stretched. We call them elastic materials. Okay, now look at the shapes. Sorry, look at the two pictures and look at this rubber band and look at this piece of cloth. They can be stretched easily from your hands because flexible and soft material. So material that can be stretched is called elastic material. Okay, now look at this example. This is the rubber band that is stretched, and we discussed that you have to find out which material can be stretched. So the wheels of this truck, this band, and the wheels of this cycle, and look at this hairband and look at this rope. Okay, so these materials can be stretched. Okay, so we discussed that this rope is made from the rubber. Okay, and we learned that how do we get the elastic materials by sap tree. Okay, you can get the rubber. Rubber is the natural material, and you can get rubber from the sap tree. And I hope you finished the homework. This is the worksheet on from the Cambridge resources. So you learn that which material stretch more. So look at this B, the weight B stretch more, okay? And which weight is stretch less, C, okay? Okay, today we discussed that some materials can be bend, squash, twist, and stretch. So there are four different ways to change the material. The first one is bend, twist, stretch, and squash. Okay, you have to write them on the notebook. So today we learned that this is the activity on your learner's book. So we have two pictures, okay, picture A and picture B. I'm going to show your learner's book. So here is your book, and this is the activity 3.3, and looking at elastic band. So let me explain for you. So now we have two different pictures, and this is the activities, and as you can see, which elastic band stretch more. So the picture B shows that we have the heavy weight and that tied with this elastic band, okay? So this stretch more. The picture B, the weight stretch more. And here we have just a paper clip and the weight is less, so that's why it cannot be stretched more, okay? And so the picture B that shows uh, stretch more, okay? Which elastic band stretch the most? The picture B. So the next thing is very important, that how could you get hurt, okay, when you are doing this activity. So you should take care one thing, that how could you get hurt. You could get hurt when the elastic band overstretch, okay? When the elastic band overstretch, it will hurt your eyes. So you must be careful. So when elastic band overstretch. So here, as you can see, if the elastic band more stretch, it will break and it will hurt to your eyes. So you must be careful. And the next thing, why sports players why sports players use elastic materials, okay? Why sports player elastic materials? So as you can see, to train their muscles, okay, not to fall down. So the elastic material, this material is made from rubber and it can be stretched, okay? So they train their muscles to not to get hurt, okay? So here is the homework on page number 18, your activity book. So you have to find out, you have four different pictures, and you have four different rubber bands, okay? Elastic bands, one, two, three, and four. And you have to find out which elastic was strongest, A, B, C, or D. Which were weakest, and which elastic band could not be used to hold heavy boxes together, okay? In this homework, you have to find out which elastic band is strongest and which elastic band is weakest. So I hope you understand today's lesson. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.